I just don't get this book. I mean, what is it supposed to do? Is it a non-fiction book? Is it a comprehension book? I just don't know. Do you know? Oh, nobody knows. I guess I'll just go to sleep. Huh? Oh. Whoa. Oh, excuse me. That is the most scariest dream I ever had. I guess I should start finishing reading my book. Nah.